Let's go to question number 198, house rubber. This is easy question, but I think this one is medium because this is quite tricky, but this is quite good question. Okay, let's get into it. You are a professional rubber planning to rub houses along a street. So the street has several houses. And then each house has certain amount of money stretched. So such as this one has 3, 7 gold, and then 2 gold, and then 5 gold. The only constraint stopping you from robbing each of them is that adjacent house has security system connected. It will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into the same night. So same night we cannot rob the adjacent together. So maybe we can do like this or like this. And then give a list non-negative integer reflect the amount of money of each house. Determine the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. Okay, let's check the example 1. In this case, first, okay, let's check the biggest number 1. So we choose this, and then we cannot rob here this house and this out, and then we can rob this one. So total is 4. Does this make sense? And then next is, let's say that this one is bigger 9. So we cannot rob this one, and then this one has so this is total is 12, so return 12. But this one is not always correct. So okay, let's brainstorming. Okay, let's say if this one is 7 at that time, if we first we choose biggest number, maybe we can rob maximum 9 to 1. This is the 12. But if we choose this one, maybe we can select this one with this one. So 7 is 14. So this one is the bigger than this one, right? So okay, how we gonna do that? Okay, today I gonna use the greedy, and then some people say it is the DP question, but I think the both word is correct because greedy is the subset of DP. So today I gonna solve with the greedy. So to do that, I will use the two sum. First is previous sum, and then previous sum, and then current number. I will gonna use this 1, and then I will just choose the maximum one. So each greedy. So first I will gonna do the previous 0, and then next is previous sum. This one also 0, and then I will choose okay, let's change. This is too long, so previous and then current. Okay, I think that this one also makes sense. So I put this is previous sum and current sum, and then this is current the number. So I will start with here, the 0 index. At that time, this one did not start it, so that's the reason each sum is 0, right? So first time I will choose current sum is I gonna return the current sum, right? And then at this time I will check current sum is maximum current sum with this one plus this one. So always compare this one with this one plus this one. So prep sum plus number. Then every time we able to choose just the biggest one, and then I will update this two value to, and then this previous always has the previous of the current sum. To do that, I will need to the temp. Otherwise, later if I the previous sum is current sum, at that time this value and this value is the same. So we cannot use this approach. So to do that, I will do temp. Temp is I will save the previous. The reason why I use this one, if I update previous to here, maybe this one is updated this one, but we needed to one step before the previous one, before update. That is the reason why I use the temp. Does this make sense? So first, okay, let's say this is 0, right? And then this one plus this one is 2. So current is the 2, right? Before that, I will update this current sum is 0, and then update 2, because this one is 2. And then previous sum is 10. 10 is 0, 0. And then I'll move to one step forward. Now the same with the current is the 2. I will update the temp is 2. And then compare with 7 plus 0. So 7 plus 0, 7 is more bigger. Update to 7. And then previous updated 2. And then now current updated to the temp. And then move forward, and then 9 to 2. So this is 11, right? So current sum is updated 11. And then previous updated 7. And then now temp is 11. And then checking next. So at this time, M and the P is the 14, and then current sum 11. 14 is bigger, right? So this one updates 14, temp 11, and then move 14. At this time, this 1 and 11 is 12, and then current sum is 14, so it did not update it. Just previous is updated, and then we will exit the iteration. So finally we return current sum. That is what? 14. 14 is this one plus this one. That is the maximum. Does it make sense? Yes, that's right. I think the one-time explanation is maybe hard to understood, and then it's more difficult to solving only one watching YouTube video. So that is the reason you needed to solve a lot of time. Also, each time you solving this question, please test your code by your hand like this. Okay, so first, okay, let's implement the code. First, we need the flag sum is 0, and then current sum is 0. And then I will iterate and get nums one by one. And then first I will do temp is current sum, and then I will update current sum is, I will use greedy max current sum and prev sum plus n, and then update previous. Prev sum is current sum null, that is temp. So we're gonna return current sum. Does this make sense? Okay, let's check the code. Okay, looks good. Good. Okay, time complexity is this constant, and that this is linear time and constant space. Thank you.